Hello friends, welcome to all. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. In this video I am going to explain about ADHD. ADHD is the one of common neurodevelopment disorder that is most commonly occur in childhood. There is some certain kind of symptoms and we have seen in the particular children. The first symptoms is loss of concentration, because this kind of children is not able to maintain particular kind of attention in a particular things in a specific time. The next thing is excessive talking, senseless talking. There is many kinds of meaningless things, speaking without any purpose, and there is the certain kind of the irritability most commonly seen this kind of the children. And the next thing we have seen, this kind of child is looks like very unusual. Sometimes this will be cause of severe kind of troubles to the other, and there may be chances of harm to the other one due to this type of the behavior. If we're looking for the specific kind of the causes, that is described one by one. The first one is the due to birth time of condition, the child is suffer from head injury. That will be the leading cause of this type of the problem, and that is a very common phenomena during the time of birth. This will be happen. Next thing is excessive use of alcohol of mother during the time of pregnancy. That will be the leading cause this type of the conditions. That is a very unusual situation for the child, and after the birth of baby it will be cause of severe kind of condition like ADHD. And ADHD is the full term is the attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. And the next thing is premature delivery due to injury, due to any kind of complication. There may be chances of there is condition like premature delivery that will be happen, and that will be also a leading condition and leading problem of this type of the problems. And many kinds of research have been suggested that too much using of sugar during the time of pregnancy, that will be the leading cause of this type of the problems. If we're looking for the diagnosis, so what should we do to confirm the disease? That is described by following kinds of point. So first one is we should using some medical examination just before the delivery, and we should confirm this kind of the condition. The next thing is we should consult with the first one specific kind of physicians and surgeons regarding to this kind of the disease. And next thing is by making of a checklist to confirm the disease. And next and very important thing is treatment. What are the treatment this type of the situation, because it is the one of panic situation which will be very complicated for the newborn baby and during entire life. So the treatment is there is accurate confirmed remedy is we should using a behavior therapy and confirm with the psychiatrist towards the condition of the problems. Next thing is by getting of a neurologist opinion and confirming the disease. Next thing is by using of counseling and therapy to subside this type of the problems. Next thing, we should try to maintaining a better kind of eating habit so we can control this type of the situations. And by providing of family therapy and confirming the condition. Next thing is by explaining the condition in front of the physician and getting a better kind of treatment this type of the unusual situation. So friends, hope you will be satisfied with my discussion. It is condition like a ADHD. Thanks for listening and subscribe my channel.